I'm Emiliano. I'm an Italian guy living in Helsinki, loving Finland and Helsinki, and selling amazing gelato. Ape Gelato is called Ape because Ape means bee in Italian, and it's the name of the moped, the truck we have. And we sell Italian gelato of amazing quality. We start our working day going to the garage, setting up the truck with everything needed, cones, cups, blackboards and napkins, all of that, and gelato mainly. So as soon as we're ready, we just go on the road, and we choose the location every day depending on if there is an event or if there is good weather. If there is bad weather, we go somewhere else. So we have our own strategy. So we do work off grid all the time, so we need to have our own power, our own energy, to mainly for the coffee machine, the freezer and the lights. So the solution we have at the moment for all this energy is having a generator. Sometimes it's on board, like in the case of this truck, or just a portable generator, which is not only fuel consuming, but it's brain killing, because it makes a lot of noise and it's not good for our customers. So there is no single reason why it's good actually to use a generator. Plus, it's much better to have silence. So using Instagrid for us, it's obviously a great choice, because first of all, it's environmentally friendly, which we love, and it's silent, which is also very helpful, and it's portable, because it's a small thing to carry with us, it's not that heavy. So allow us to focus much better on our work and provide even better service. And the clients, our customers, are like enjoying that too, because the silence is all you need to be in love with the world. At the end of the day, using Instagrid makes our work much more enjoyable and trouble-free, and it's just what we needed, really.